I'm sure you've heard the news. The end times are here, right? Just look around. Climate change, wars, hunger. Aren't these all signs of the end times? But wait, what if we're the ones creating these signs? Think about it. Our greed for power and resources fuels wars. Our environmental abuse triggers natural disasters, terroristic acts. They're born from misguided fanaticism. So, are these the end times God foretold, or are we speeding up our own downfall? The truth is, these events aren't the end times. No one knows when that will be, only God does. But the signs are there because of our own actions. Here's the twist: we can change this. By following the teachings of Jesus, not the destructive ways of the world, we can avert these human-made end times. Imagine a world where compassion replaces greed, where we care for the environment and where love triumphs over hate. It's possible, so let's take a stand. Let's be the change. Because the end times aren't a divine punishment, they're a call for us to act. Remember, it's not the end, it's a new beginning. Together we can create a future worth believing in.